Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Tabby account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tabby application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Tabby application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, login or sign up, browse stores. Simply tap on the option login or sign up. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to create your account, what you have to do is enter your phone number. So first of all, make sure to select the country code. Tap on the field of country code. Now you'll be able to find the countries over here. Simply tap on the country of your choice. Now tap on the option confirm. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number. Simply enter your phone number. Now after entering the phone number, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, what you have to do is enter the OTP that you received via SMS to verify your mobile number. After your mobile number has been verified, your account will be created. After that, you can go ahead and set up your account. So that is how you create Tabby account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.